Well, jails are clearly not centers of reformation anymore. They're clearly dens of all kinds of vice. Let's go across now to someone who's been very closely associated with jails in the past. Former IPS officer and former DG of prisons before she retired, Kiran Bedi, joins us on the phone line. Thanks very much, ma'am, for speaking with us on Headlines tonight. You've been very closely associated with the prisons across the country, and particularly here in Delhi. In fact, you were singularly responsible for the clean-up of the Tihar jail. Does it shock you what we've shown about the Naini jail? Does it shock you that guns and knives are being openly smuggled into the Naini jail and being made available to prisoners?
I think we need to understand that those who are guardians of law, if they themselves indulge in criminality, are themselves a threat to the security of state. And for that, we have provisions under the Indian Constitution called Section 311(2), which must be invoked, and they must be retired compulsorily, which means not just suspension, not only FIRs, which are going to take 25 years to get a decision, appeal after appeal. I think the issue would be to retire them away so that the threat to the security of state goes. I think we need to fix. Secondly, remember, a prison has a board of visitors. What was the board of visitors doing? And the board of visitors involves enlightened or educated citizens, as also the local magistracy. What are their and include judicial magistrates. I think you, as a media, need to know what have these board of visitors been doing. What are the minutes? What are the decisions? What are their observations of the past?
No, but like you said, this has been going on for years now, and only now have we managed to expose it. The question, though, is who should be held responsible for this rising menace, this malaise which is plaguing jail complexes across our country?
Well, it's an irrefutable evidence which you produced, which I fortunately got to see. Who is responsible is the answer, is from the DGP to the last warden of the prison, including the visitors board. All of them are accountable. All of them have roles under the jail manual. All of them are responsible. So we need to move out people and retire. Unless you do that,
okay,
the system will continue. Remember, every prison is both either a reformatory or a den of crime, because it is the securest den of crime if it is not a reformatory. So the choice is between either making a prison a reformation, a place of correction, or allow safe crime to happen from inside. This is what happened in your sting operation.
That's right.
Naini has stood exposed as a den of crime. Therefore, all those who are encouraging this crime or protecting the crime must be held accountable, and they must be retired. They must get out of the system. They must be compulsorily retired to begin with.
All right. Kiran Bedi, as always, for not mincing any words, thanks very much for joining us on Headlines tonight.